Hello students, good morning. We have started that next chapter, fourth chapter, heat and its effect. Then we have done already that about the heat. What is heat? That is a form of energy by which we can sensation, we can feel the hotness and coldness. And their SI unit of heat also we have done in last class. There is a SI unit of heat is joule, and other unit also having, that is a kilojoule, kilocalorie and their calorie. And their conversion also I have given for your learning. Now next topic we are starting, effects of heat. What is the effect of heat? Now we will read. When you heat an object, many changes take place. When we heat any object, there is many change. Yes, you can see also. To understand this, let us do a simple activity. Take a vessel, vessel means container, and put a few pieces of raw vegetables into it. Fill the vessels in up to the brim with the water and close it tightly with the lid. Heat vessel till water start boiling vigorously. What you do observe, then you observe that water become hot. Yes. As the water heats up further, it begin to overflow and its volume increases. Yes, we are heating water continuously, then after some time it will be overflow because they are increasing volume. Thus the heat causes expansion. There is a effect of heat. From here we can say heat causes expansion. Expansion means that is the increasing volume, expanding. As the water boils, the steam also comes out of the vessel by pushing the lid. That is, water changes its state due to heat. Water here changing state due to heat. After some time, pieces of vegetables get cooked. After some time, pieces of vegetable cooked. Thus, a number of changes take place during the heating. So we can say that heat causes change in temperature, change of state, expansion and chemical change. There is a different change in heat take place, that is in temperature, in change in state, expansion, chemical change. Now next we will read about their change with explanation. Heat cause expansion. How their expansion take place? Expansion is a one effect of heat. All the substance whether solid, liquid or gas expand on heating, contract on cooling. Contract means that is a succumbed. Okay, that will be shrink on cooling. However, the extent up to which they expand it different. Expansion in solid. How their expansion take place in solid? Molecules in a solid are packed close to each other. Yes, there is any particle is solid, liquid, gas. This is depend upon the closeness of the molecule. If their molecules are close with each other, then the material will be solid. If there will be loose molecules, then we can say there can be liquid or gas. The position of these molecules is almost fixed in solid. The space between molecule that we can say that intermolecular space is minimum in solid and in fact almost negligible. Thus the force of attraction between the molecule is very strong because there is an intermolecular force is acting along the solids is so much large. That's why they are close each other as compared to liquid and gases. So force of attraction is very strong. These molecules vibrate only about its mean position. When you heat a solid, the moment of these molecules increases. This increases the average distance between the molecule. Thus the space occupied by the molecule increases. That is, volume of the solid is increases. As we are heating up, then the distance between them will be increased, then volume will be increased. This one we can do by using this following activity. This activity try to at your home, that to demonstrate thermal expansion in the solid. How the solids are expanding after the heating. Now next our expansion in the liquid. In liquid, how their expansion take place? Molecules of the liquid are packed less closely to each other as compared to the molecules in solid because their intermolecular force between the liquid is less as compared to the solid. So their space between the molecule is the more as compared to solid. As the molecules are some distance away from each other, then force of attraction is not so strong in the liquid. The molecules can thus move freely inside the liquids. On heating, the vibration of these molecules increases, which increases the average distance between them. When we will heat, then the vibration of the molecule increase, which increases the average distance between them. This leads to increase in the volume of liquid. This vibration are more in liquid as compared to solid. Thus the liquids expand more than the solid on heating, because there is expansion is more. Why? Because there is already have gap between the molecule of the liquid. That's why there is expansion is more in the liquid as compared to solid. Now next our expansion in gases. How? Their expansion also in gases will be more as compared to the solid and liquid, because there is the intermolecular force is large as weak as compared to the solid and liquid. There is a space is more compared to the liquid and solid. Since the molecule in the gases are very far from one another, their molecular gap is between them is so much large. So the space between the molecule is maximum in the gases. Hence the force of attraction between the gas molecules is almost negligible. They are not attracted with each other. The gas molecule has the maximum freedom to move around independently. Their gas molecule are moving freely because there is the intermolecular force is the less. On heating a gas, the vibration of these molecules increase, and also average distance between the molecules is increased. Hence expansion is more in case of the gases than in liquid or solid. Clear? Next will be our expansion around us. How the expansion there? This topic read yourself, how their expansion take place around us. Up to this topic you have read your chapter completely, properly. Okay, thank you.